Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the chill pan assembly in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new chill pan assembly. This chill pan assembly is located in the fresh food compartment. It's used for storing fresh produce. The humidity level on this pan is adjustable. The main reasons why the chill pan assembly would need to be replaced is if the rear rollers break off or the pan cracks and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the old pan, we slide it out completely to the top and then lift it up, and then we can remove it. This is the old chill pan assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install the new chill pan. I'm going to place it on the rails and push it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.